Hey guys, I'm at it once again. Starting to cut out the center section here. I'm gonna jump ahead a little bit. I just wanted to get into some slitting, see if this slitting idea I had in my head would work. Basically what we got going on here, we got a 5-inch slitting discs. It's 3/32 of an inch thick. Already ran a couple of passes on it just to see if the thing would work, and it does. Taking really light cuts. This is a homemade arbor. I just had to make a custom spacer under the bottom of it. Use some Delrin. Seems to be working pretty good. I'm not trying to push it real hard. I think probably about 5/1000 cuts, 6/1000 cuts, channeling it quite nice. But without wasting too much of your time, we're going to go ahead and take a cut. Give you guys a real close-up of what this looks like. Gotta put my safety glasses on, and we'll fire up the mill. Probably slinging stuff all over the place for the first pass here. I just gooped it up. Take the table locks off. There we go. Going real slow. Manual feed here. Trying to use the same machine to fix itself. Cutter speed is 397. It's the lowest speed I can go on this mill. Maybe a little bit fast, but doesn't seem to really hinder it. We're getting real close to the camera with that cutter, but yeah, we're out of there. Makes all kinds of noise, but it does the job. Probably easier ways of doing this, but having fun messing around like this. Okay, we're at 20 thousandths totaled up since the last cut, so it's probably another 10 thousandths since the last cut. And that's another pass. I'm not gonna go all the way through right now. I'm just taking a few cuts off of it to center it, just to see where it's gonna be in the final layout. I am gonna be drilling a transverse hole across it and threading it for pinching purposes, but I just wanted to see where the slot was gonna line up, and basically where the arbor is gonna end up. But here's messing around. I just wanted to see how that operation was going to work with this this mill, and as long as I don't get too greedy with the cutter here, I should be able to be okay. I'm gonna have to go probably pretty close to, I'll try an inch deep first and see how that works, and if I have to go a little bit further, by all means I will, but I'm only pinching about 2 thousandths, maybe 3 thousandths on the very outside, so hopefully that'll be enough clearance. But anyways, that's where we're at right now. Thanks for watching once again.